We are a global process engineering company serving the oil and gas industry with modular, engineered to plug-and-play, skid-mounted packages and systems. Once the design and engineering specifications were approved by the client, IFS began manufacturing the Ethane Chiller Skid at our Tyler, Texas facility. The plant features 125,000 square feet under roof on 7 acres and has approximately 100 full-time employees. As per customer specifications, the chiller provides a boil-off gas service as one of 2 services. Vapor from the underground makeup drums enters the Ethane Chiller Skid on level 2 and then is forwarded to the BOG compressor on level 1. Compressed ethane is then sent through the BOG chiller on level 2, which changes the vapor into liquid. Liquid ethane is then returned to the makeup drums. Relief valves as well as block and bypass valves prevent vapor lines from filling up with liquid. The second service provided by the skid is unloading and importing from pressurized tanker trucks arriving at the site. The trucks have enough pressure to run the ethane through the filters and into underground makeup drums for storage. As the ethane is unloaded, truck pressure eventually drops until at some point there is not enough pressure to move the ethane vapor through the filters. At that point, the ethane flow is redirected to the Ethane Chiller Skid. Here, the ethane is run through the imported ethane compressor suction scrubber and the imported ethane compressor, both on level 1. The compressor increases the pressure, and the ethane leaves the skid from level 1 to flow through ethane dryers and demercurized filters. Then the ethane is sent back to the Ethane Chiller Skid and the imported ethane chiller on level 3. The imported ethane chiller turns the ethane into a liquid, which leaves the skid on level 3 and is sent back to the underground makeup drums. The completed skid is 9 feet wide, 32 feet long, and 47 feet 2 inches tall. It has an estimated weight of 129,000 pounds when dry and has an estimated operating weight of 137,000 pounds. IFS will test the chiller skid for performance to specification at our Tyler, Texas site prior to shipping. IFS will ship the entire ethane chiller in 4 sections via 4 flatbed trucks, 1 level per truck, to the Cove Point facility in Maryland. There, the unit is to be plugged into the existing Cove Point infrastructure, and IFS engineers will provide training, commissioning, and startup. Aftermarket support include parts, service, and warranty. IFS engineered plug-and-play LNG liquefaction and regasification packages are shipped skid-mounted and ready to plug in at customer sites worldwide, no matter how extreme, remote, and challenging the location. Contact us at ifsolutions.com or at sales@ifsolutions.com.